Action!
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to hold a gun and probably shoot, I guess.
Wagwan. Welcome to my channel. I'm Amani.L, and today where are we? This is Columbia County Range in Columbia County, Wisconsin, and we're going to do a introduction shot, first shots for two amazing women. We'll go ahead and introduce them real quick. My helpers. So first up we have Naomi.
Hi guys, I'm Naomi.
And then we have Anna.
Hi guys, I'm Anastasia.
And this is your first time shooting, yeah?
Yep.
All right, so this is gonna be a blast. We're gonna always have safety on. So we have safety glasses, ear protection, and we're always gonna follow the tab K, the rules of firearm safety. So let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so the first gun we're gonna have here is going to be a break action, also known as a hinge action shotgun. This is in 20 gauge. We know it's 20 gauge because it's stamped on the barrel there. And to operate this, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, break the hinge. So there's a lever right here. All we have to do is to press this all the way through and break the action from the front. If there's a cartridge in here, a shotgun shell, it will actually eject it, pop it straight out. We're gonna load it up. So let's get feeding it. So this is a 20 gauge. This is actually a 3-inch Magnum. So this here has a little bit of kick in it. We're gonna load it into our barrel. We're gonna close the hinge and we're gonna take it off safe to fire. We're gonna cock it and applying the K in tab K. We're gonna keep our finger off the trigger until we're ready to fire. Get a good grip. We're gonna take a boxer stance. Just kind of lean into it a little bit, but not lean back, not lean too forward. Just kind of keep that center of gravity. We're gonna put the shotgun right here. There's a nice little spot that it rests in, right? We're gonna get it there and then we're gonna come up and it's bead sided. So we're gonna put the bead over the target with it cocked back, safe off, and we're gonna pull the trigger. And that's it. Pop it out and it falls out. All right, let's get the ladies involved. All right, go ahead and do it. Grab your shell. Get in your stance, good job. Wow, you did it. Go ahead and put it back on safe. And then go ahead and eject the shell. Like a pro. How's it feel?
It feels good.
Like evil things.
Is it not safe? Okay.
Yep. Good job.
Okay.
Next.
Oh, you still have it on safety.
Yep. Now cock it. Awesome. Nothing to fear, you did it.
You did it!
Like a pro. All right. All right, they did an amazing job. So now we're gonna upgrade over to a pump action shotgun. This here is my Mossberg 500A. And do me a favor before we move any further. Please do hit that like and subscribe button and also the bell notification so you guys can get updated to my latest content. Also remember, I've done a gun collection video and I kind of got shadow banned. So please go check that video out at the end. Link in the description and also up here or there, someplace around here. So go ahead and click on that for me, all right? So this here is my Mossberg 500A, and the way we're gonna function this here is we're going to, one, always apply by the gun safety rules, but we're gonna open the action. So right here, there's a little lever here, and when the action is locked, all right, it's not going nowhere because we haven't pulled the trigger, and we're not gonna pull the trigger because there's nothing in it right now. So we're gonna depress this little lever, action goes back with the pump. So that's how we activate the pump. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 12 gauge, and this is a 2 3/4, I think. We're gonna put that in right there. We're gonna send our round home. So now it's in there. We're gonna load up the tube with one extra shell. So here goes our extra shell. Put that right in there. right in that little tube there. There's a safety here. We're gonna push the safety up when we're on target, and then we're gonna pull. And once we're done pulling, we're gonna rack it back. So let's go ahead and see how that looks. Boxer stance. All right, now we're in our boxer stance. I'm gonna come up to target. It is a bead sight. I got it right on the target. I'm gonna push up on the safety. Now I'm on my target. I'm going to get a nice little grip. Not gonna lean too far forward. And I'm just gonna pull. Now that it's pulled, I don't need to press that lever. All I need to do is rack the slide, ejects, and then I'm gonna push it forward again, and then we can pull again. Now it's empty. Put it on safe. How was that?
Oh, why did it heavy?
Alright, put the safety on.
Is that good? Yeah, I did.
Perfect.
Isn't
Awesome.
it on?
Yep, it's on.
Okay.
Awesome job. Alright, Anna. Go. So you put it in, you don't have to put it in, just drop it. Okay, that works. Go ahead, Chelsea. Now bring that right into your arm. Remember your arm, finger off the trigger, and put it right here, that groove. There you go. Nope, too high up.
There you go.
And lean. There you go. I know it's kind of heavy, huh?
Very heavy. Very, very heavy.
You got it.
Whew. Okay, guys. You ready for this?
Nice.
Put it on safe. Finger off the trigger. There you go. Quinn, you did it. How was it?
It was scary because this was my 5th and 6th time. But we good.
Alright, so our ladies did an amazing job with the shotguns. Now we're going to advance over to rifles. So this here is my AR-15. This is an SBR. Once again, somewhere around here is the link to my gun collection video. A lot of guys are having fun there. That's super loud. But what we have on this one, we have a silencer, suppressor also known as. And this here kind of muffles the sound. Really doesn't make it silent, but it does reduce some of the report of the gun when fired. So we're gonna play around with that as well. So to utilize this here, the first thing we're gonna do is, that's closed, take our magazine, we're gonna insert it in, all the way in, make sure it's seated. And then we're gonna pull back on the charging handle here, rack that all the way back, and then let it go forward. Now we have a Aimpoint Pro on here. We'll turn it on, get it to the setting that we need it, and we're gonna look down our sight. And it's okay that we can bench it. Take the safety off. Safety here, we can swipe it. It's ambi, so it's on both directions. And we're gonna line up our target, put the red dot on it, cover our finger on the trigger, just the palm, and pull the trigger back. And that's it. Put it back on safe, and we're done. Good job. That's real good. All right, Anna.
Okay. I think my favorite is the shotgun.
Feel safe? Good job.
Nice.
So first off, you want to pick up your gun. No, you have to stand in the boxer's stance. Then you pick up your gun like this. Your hand should be off the trigger, okay? Always off the trigger. Because if it's not off the trigger, you're gonna kill someone, and that's gonna be on you, and you're gonna spend life in jail because honey, you don't have license for this. So yeah, off the trigger.